I have complained countless times on this channel with the whole everything is going up in price. We talked about recently the Legion Go 2 now is going to be $2,800. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. But I do understand from somewhat of a point of view why is RAM going up in price? Because of data centers. Data centers need RAM, RAM supply, bam, price goes up. Why is storage going up? Data centers. Because they need the storage. Okay, that's why M.2 SSDs are going up. You know, all these things are going up, and at least you could sit back and you could say it's bull crap, it's stupid. Sometimes I feel like there is just margins that these companies want to make more money. Whatever. You know, it is what it is. This right here is actually stupid. So, Valve is. Okay. How do I put this? There was a time period of a couple months ago where the LCD model of the Steam Deck, all the parts on Ifixit were discontinued. Well, we thought they were discontinued because Valve wasn't stocking them anymore. They weren't supplying them on the website. And Ifixit even said to a customer, hey, like, there is nothing we can do pretty much. Like, if Valve doesn't want to give us any more of these products, we can't do anything. Well, that did get corrected. Valve actually confirmed that, yes, they are going to keep on resupplying parts for the LCD model of the LCD model of the Steam Deck. So, at first it was like, oh, Valve, come on, what the heck? And then it was like, okay, well, that's good. Awesome if you have, a LCD model, because obviously it's cheaper. And there's a lot of people who do, because on the resale market, it's a lot cheaper to buy. So yeah, Valve took a W when we thought they were going to take an L. And then this crap happens. They changed the price of the battery on iFixit's website from $79.99 to $129.99. Okay, so let me just explain that real fast here. The OLED that has larger capacity, more, power, is $79.99. They took the LCD model battery and they jacked up the price 63%. Now, again, this is not memory. This is not RAM. This is not just random other crap. This is a battery. Now, you might say, well, there might be a limited supply. There might not be that many. And I understand the concept of, hey, we only have so many, and as we get more, we're going to sell them, and you might have to wait a couple months to get a new battery, right? But you're going to pay $79.99 because that's the price tag. Or even we're going to charge you less because, the OLED model is $79.99. No, that's not the case. That's insane. 63% increase. Now, iFixit does sell a third-party LCD battery for $80, which is the original price, right, as a cheaper alternative. But why are we jacking up the price 63% of the battery? If Valve is still supplying this battery to us, to iFixit, then why does it have to be jacked up 63%? It makes no sense at all, other than just trying to make more money and trying to take money from the consumer. Now, is this a Valve fault? Is it a Valve fault, or is it iFixit fault? And that's what is the biggest issue here, is neither company has responded or said anything. I did email both companies. I haven't received a response yet. And at the end of the day, it's like, what's going on here? Is Valve trying to now tell iFixit, hey, we want more money for this battery, so iFixit has to jack up the price? Or is Valve selling the battery for the same price as normal, and iFixit's like, hey, we can make more money. Haha, let's go. Fluff the consumer. Like, is that what, again, we don't know. Neither has responded. But it's just like, why? Why is this the new norm? And I know somebody's come on one of my videos and said, like, it doesn't have to be the new norm. We can stop it from being the new norm. And I agree with that. We can stop it. But at the end of the day, what's happening is these companies, something needs to happen here. There needs to be a silver lining because these companies now are getting to a point where they're just greed hungry. They're trying to again, fluff over the consumer as much as possible. There used to be a mindset in all types of business where the consumer is always right. You want to make the consumer happy. You want to make the customer, want your product, come back to your products. And then a lot of these companies became monopolies. They became so huge that they stopped caring about that. They stopped caring about the customer. They stopped caring about the consumer. They stopped caring about what we think buying their products. Quality control. Who cares? Now, I'm not saying every company doesn't care about quality control, but there is quality control issues with some products that come out, and it's to a point where it's like, hey, you don't like it? Tough luck. I don't know. It's a rant. This is a rant video, but it is because it's just ridiculous. So, 63% price hike on a LCD battery that's less 40 watts, which is less than the 50-watt model. Now, maybe this whole thing is because Ifixit wants you to buy the third-party solution. Maybe they're doing this because they want you to buy the third-party solution because they have a deal with the company that they get them from that they can get them for cheaper. And maybe that's the whole point. And maybe Valve just doesn't have that many options. So if they're like, hey, if people want to buy the OEM model, we'll just jack up the price. I don't know. It's crazy stuff. Peace out, guys.